Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a REST API with Django. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to make a new folder first. And then okay, oh no. Okay, after that we're going to we'll make a Django project. And it's going to be a chat, another chat application. If you've been keeping up, I guess. But first we need to edit the settings in the URLs here. Oh no. Okay. So we want to include the REST framework in our installed apps. And then the chat app. And then we want to include a URL for our application. And then let's just make sure that this is working. Yeah, it looks like it's working. So now we need to make two files. urls.py and serializers.py. So this one's the most important one first. Well, not the most important. It's like logically kind of first. So we'll be using something called routers that work with view sets, I'm pretty sure. And it saves us a lot of code, I think. So we're going to have a directory for messages. And then this is a view set we're going to be using. And then now let's see, just make sure that it's following the line that we want it to. Yeah, it looks like we're okay for now. Close that out. So first we're gonna model sort of logically next. So we're going to have a time created, the name of the owner that we can set ourselves, just because it's a little simpler to get started. And then we'll have the text. And this is the ordering of how it will be seen, I'm pretty sure. And that's all we need for the model, I think. So, so this makes it so it's easier to browse if it's hyperlinked. And hyperlinked, this is not the right one. Hyperlinked model serializer, that's what we want, I'm pretty sure. And then you could add some other things here if you wanted to, but we're not going to do that. I'm pretty sure that's what we want to do. And then we might have to come back and debug this in a minute, but okay, we're making good time. And then the view is sort of ties this all together. And it probably makes more sense once you understand the view, I think. So now we're finally making our view set, and what we want is a query set of all of our messages, and then we assign a serializer to it. And finally we can check to see if this works. It looks like we're good. Okay. So make migrations, I think I finally understand. I'm pretty sure it like initializes something for the database table related to the, we don't need to know that much about that, but it's important when you're changing like the structure of the program to make a migration related to it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, what's our timing? Okay, we have like barely enough time. So let's hope this works. Okay. So it looks like it is working. So from here, I guess let's make a message. Let's make like 2 messages. But I'm gonna show you how to access it with a Python script as well. I could stop it here, but I'm going to show you that. So what we'll want to do here. Okay. Let's hope we have enough time. Okay, I have 5 minutes. So there's something called requests in Python, and we're gonna make some functions that automate a bunch of requests for us for the API. So we're gonna do one to print all the messages. And this is something we're going to want to copy and paste a lot. So so this allows us to print all the messages, and we'll be able to see the owner of the message as well. And okay, let's hurry up. Okay, then we create a message owner. We give it the owner in the text. And this is how you would pass in for a post request. And then data equals the thing up here. You could just put it right here if you wanted, but this makes it a little bit more readable. And then something to modify the message. And so let's copy and paste this. And then we put in a put request to modify the message. Let's copy and paste this. Okay, and that's basically everything we want. And now we can interact with it from the shell. And that'll be cool as well. We have 2 minutes, so let's do that. Okay, and let's import requests as well for good measure. So, as you can see, when you print all the messages, prints every message, as you can see from the automatically generated UI. So now let's create a message, as long as we have time. We just barely do. Okay. And we can print all messages again, and that's cool. And now we'll modify the first message. Now let's print all the messages again. And so you can see, using this, you can access our API programmatically and do some interesting scripts with that, and that's pretty cool. And that's basically how you would get started with this stuff. You can probably make like a you can do a lot of stuff with this, I'm pretty sure. So I hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day.